Hello guys, we're the Calculads. I'm Mohammed, and then Eric's behind the camera and Mason somewhere over there. So today we're going to be going over motion. So then first we have so we know that derivative is the rate, so that's the slope. So then we have position, which is going to be s of t, and then the slope of that is going to be equal to velocity. So velocity, or v of t, is going to be equal to s prime of t. And then the slope of that is acceleration, and then the area of that is going to be the change in position. We'll go over that later. So then for acceleration, which is a of t, is going to be equal to v prime of t, and then which is going to be equal to s double prime of t. And then the area is the change in velocity. So then we have the graphs here. So this is simulating like a projectile motion. So then the object gets thrown up and then it comes back down after a certain amount of time. So then here is the slope of that is going to be equal to the velocity, and then the slope of that is just the acceleration, which will be constant in this case. So then for our example, we have s of t equals 1/2. So for our example, we have s of t equals 1/2 t cubed minus 5t squared plus 12t minus 5. So then our first question says find the particle's velocity and acceleration as functions of time. So all we have to do is find the derivative of this. So then v of t is going to be equal to 3/2t squared minus 10t plus 12. We're using the power rule. And then to find acceleration, we just find the derivative of the velocity. So then a of t is going to be equal to 3t minus 10. And then our second question is, when is the particle at rest? So what this means is when the velocity is going to be equal to 0. So we already have our velocity equation, and then we just set that equal to 0. And now we have to solve for t. So then here, we use the quadratic formula. So we got so negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2, and then here's going to be times 3. So then here we have, and then since you simplify, we're going to get t equals 20 plus or minus 4 root 7 over 6. And then we simplify that further. So we have t1 is going to be equal to 10 minus 2 root 7 over 3. And then t2 is going to be 10 plus 2 root 7 over 3. That's it for the video. Remember to subscribe.
Bye bye.